very good afternoon. I hope your day is going great so far. Thank you for making time to join us here on KTN Business Today. We have a lot lined up for you, from what the Chelbi Desert has to offer as a tourism destination to do-it-yourself videos to help face the January blues. I'm Ashley Mazuri. Let's get started. And we start here in Nairobi, where the Communications Authority has released a report, and it says that the number of subscriptions has increased by 1.9% to stand at 41 million in the first quarter of the financial year 2017-2018. According to the Communications Authority of Kenya, mobile penetration rose by 1.7 percentage points to reach 90.4% from 88.7% recorded during the previous quarter. During the previous under-review, number of active mobile money transfer subscriptions and registered agents stood at 28.1 million and 184,537,000 respectively. Data internet subscriptions witnessed a growth of 4.3% to stand at 30.8 million subscriptions from 29.6 million subscriptions reported the previous quarter.